Here's our Hydrangea Base design. I'm going to first start with a focal point. So I'm going to take 3 roses as a focal point, focal point, focal point. There we go. And look what I did. Well, you should see better what I did. I crisscrossed them. So it's like a tripod, and then hold them together. So you create a triangle. Next, I'm going to take my hydrangeas. I'm going to take off most of these leaves because they suck up a lot of water. And I'm going to place them through my design. 1. Here's my second hydrangea. 2. 3. And it's practically done already. That's why I call it the Hydrangea Base design, because hydrangeas do all the work for you. There's number 3, and I like it. Here comes number 4. So I have made a bouquet out of hydrangeas and roses. Then I'm going to add a little mortar between the bricks. Pick up a few more roses. See, there's the between the bricks. That's where the 2 hydrangeas split. I'm going to grab it. Now look at how I'm switching hands. I'm going to put some mortar between the bricks. This could be a bridal bouquet. This could be a welcome to the neighborhood bouquet. This could be a lot of things. Now we have a triangle of roses. Next, I'm going to take, so a lot of times it's so much white hydrangea, I like to break it up. Here's one of my secrets. I take a flower and I jam it through. See it coming out the bottom? And I pull it in like that to break up some of that hydrangea. So I've got a little bit of Queen Anne's lace to do that with. Right there, pull it in and pull it down in. Pretty, pretty, pretty. You gotta make these really clean so they don't shred. I'll take some green hydrangeas, mini green hydrangeas, and pop those through as well. See how it's texturing the surface so it doesn't look like a big white igloo. And I'll do this side, getting rid of all these leaves that'll get caught up. Look, not bad. Next, I'm gonna take some stock. White's pretty stock. It doesn't show up, but again, look how I'm applying it. I'm not stacking them. This is a no-no. You have to lie it through, but see how it sticks out? I'm going to pinch off the head of the stock. I know you just went, ouch. So, you got to pinch off that stock. We're doing a mass round design. And so I add a little stock, pinch it off, and then maybe we have a little bit of white heather. I'll put just a little bit of heather poking out. Again, you don't want to do this. You've got to waste most of the stem by just adding a little bit around the edges to make it a nice Irish bouquet. We'll put a few berries in there too. I'm going to add 1, 2, 1 more and we're done. This took me all of a minute and a half to do a $150 bridal bouquet. Some mini callas. Look at these. These are pretty. I'm going to feed a few mini callas right through there. Look at that. Boom. This will put it over the top. Now it's ready for the bride. Put a few little mini callas in, mini calla lilies in there. And then around the base, a little bit of lemon leaf right under here just to protect it. All day, through all the dancing and all the drinking at the wedding. Just a little bit of leaf, just barely poking out of the edges, not sticking out real far. This is even too far. Just half a leaf sticking out. Like a diamond twirling in a jeweler's shop. It's a Hydrangea Base bouquet. A little mixed garden bouquet. It looks like it'd be out of a movie, wouldn't it? Like an old 18th century movie starring Brad Pitt and Meryl Streep. She'd be carrying this while she's walking through the coat. Yeah. Flower School 101. My students do this every day in class and they do it perfectly. They do all of these perfectly. Flower design is a skill you can master if you trust me and you follow me. That's how it's going to work. You want to go walk into a house and take flowers and make beautiful arrangements, you're going to follow my formulas that are in your head. Kind of like cooking recipes, a little bit different. But look, let's put these all 3 together. How pretty is that? We did all of these in about 5 minutes each one. You shouldn't be frustrated, you shouldn't be struggling when you do flower arrangement. It should flow out of your hand. Flowerschool101.com. You can come to class with me or you can take all the classes in home using our ultimate online floral class. And you get my whole library of books and you get my Flower Crazy design system from QVC. So any way you want, you can come to me or I'll come to you. Michael Gaffney, I'm going to go give this to my neighbor saying, keep blooming.